if you see anything, he did come out with a new line for Fear God. So for the Fear God's Essentials, he had this runway ambiance, and it had a lot of new, pieces out there. But with this new piece, he did do like a single drop. He have a lot of collaborations with different stores that carry his brand, but the main store that do carry his brand the most and it sell out every single time is Pacsun. So and then in the description box below is going to be where like Pacsun locations where they have it housed in store, but then they also have it available online. If you still can put your hands on it. Unfortunately, I did not order mine items that I purchased from Pacsun, but I did order mine from Feature. So here's my ticket, and I'll get into the items that I purchased. The items that I purchased one t-shirt, which is jet black, and the shorts, which is jet black. Everything is jet black. This whole line was black, 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 and more black. So before I get into the price point and everything, I'll just go over everything, the packaging, how everything looks. So let's do it. Got the traditional Fear God's packaging, like came in this dust bag, and I got in size extra small, as you guys can see here. I did get an extra small in the top, and I think I got an extra small in the bottoms. Well, these are the shorts. I got an extra small in the bottoms, and then I think I got an extra small in the shirt. So this is extra small. So as you guys can see, nothing really changed about this. Now we did hear that they did do some upsizing, update on the sizing, and also update on the silhouette of what they actually like put on there, the writing. But we're gonna open up the shirt first, and I will do a try on section in this video as well. So it comes with this. Give it more like a collegiate feel. Everything with this brand already fit oversized. So with this feeling very oversized, I typically go down a size. I typically wear a size small in all my other clothes and graphic tees. Sometimes I want my graphic tees to fit a tad bit oversized. I get a medium. But with this brand, Fear Gods, I own other things from them, and I did get a small, and I purchased it at Saks Fifth Avenue in New Orleans, Louisiana. They do house them at Saks Fifth Avenue if you want to go there and try them on before you even purchase it. Also in the description box as well too, I will link the product that I got it from. I got mine from Feature, like I said earlier, and I will also put in the description box the size run and everything on how I actually run, because their brand is not true to size. So that is the shirt, and we're gonna go on over to the shorts. So these are the shorts, and let me tell you why I picked up these shorts. Mainly, and I also not downsized, because if you ever guys see me with my other Fear God shorts on, they're like the brownish earth tone colorway. They are a small in the waist and through the legs. They feel way bigger because everything here is oversized. They have the Fear God's emblem here. They let you know that it was from the men's selection. And then I picked this up because this is different. The rope is a different color. That's what gravitated me to these. And I heard that they did the waist, so it's not like totally oversized. So we're gonna get into a trial haul now. That you guys can see the both of these. Before we do get into that trial haul, let me just run across the prices real quick. For this new additional line, which they call like jet black line collection. For the shirt, it was $45, and then for the sweat shorts was $75. And then so all together, I guess with like shipping and everything else included, was $136.43. I'll leave everything in the description box below, like I did say. But hey, without further ado, let's try these outfits on. So let's do it. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is how the outfit looks. These are the shorts here. I actually wish I would have went down on the without going down on the sides on the shorts. And the shorts have this detailing right across the left side of it. And this is the shirt. The shirt is kind of like oversized. Like I said about this collar here, this is how it look. But I really wish I would have went down another size on the shirt and kept my shorts a size small. But like I said, everything here fit very oversized. And I paired it with this black fitted cap. And then I paired it also with my black utility black 450s. So that's basically how I'm gonna do it. And if you want to see more of this outfit when I wear it out, take pictures and everything, be sure to follow me on Instagram. So I'm gonna keep this on for the rest of the duration of this video. As you guys can see, this is the type of wording and everything that they had on here that is like you can feel the words. But a lot of people was going viral on Instagram and TikTok saying on how when they washed this, they letters and stuff was peeling off and it was not worth the $45 or $75 when they were making their purchase and their transactions. But to me, if you have to read the directions on how to wash, which will be like in the garment, or it'll be like on the official website on wherever you bought it from. But I will also leave it in the description box below on how to wash all your Fear God's clothing. And for washing your Fear God's clothing, make sure that it's in cold water that you're washing it, not on hot, because that's, I guess, what, like if it's hot, it bring the adhesive off of the lettering that they put to able to stamp the letters on. Also as well, you do not want to put it in the dryer. You want to hang dry it. Leave it out to hang dry. It will also help you keep the coloring in your clothes, because if you dry it, wash it and keep on drying it on hot for so long, it takes away the dye out of clothes and your black won't be as black as once you purchase it. So I think that I'll give this overall black collection of Fear Gods like a 7.3 out of 10. That's something that I will have to rate this collection, mainly because I do have old Fear Gods things before they did the updating to their logoing, and also till they did the updating on their sizing. I got an extra small, and it's extra small in my shorts. My shorts are hitting like really short, which the other ones, if you guys can see, if I could find a picture of me with them on, I will place a picture up. They hit 10 times like lower on the thigh part. So yeah. If you got any other Fear Gods product from the old collection, or if you bought any from the new collection, drop it down in the comment section below and let me know how you feel about the new collections and the new logos versus also the new sizing as well too, versus something that they are doing now versus the old versus the new. Tell me how you feel about that as well. And if you purchase anything from the black collection of the new Fear Gods, drop it down in the comment section below and tell me which product did you pick up as well. I know for sure I want to pick up more product in the black. I wanted either the crew neck, long sleeve, or I wanted the hoodie, black, all black, because I love how it's just black, and if you know, you know, if you read it, you can get it. And it just gives like a high luxury look towards elevated pieces when you don't even have to do too much, and you still look good, and you still spent like, you know, a certain amount of money on your clothes. Without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if your fingertips allow you to can reach that far. To subscribe to my YouTube video. Thanks for staying plugged in with Plugged In TV, and without further ado, thank you.